Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to find trending sounds on TikTok. So let's begin the video, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start. First of all, you will simply open your TikTok application. These sounds are basically good for your growth of TikTok ID. So here is the TikTok, and you will simply go to your profile. At the top corner, there are three horizontal lines. You will simply tap on that three horizontal lines. Here is the first option of Creator Tools. You will simply tap on Creator Tools. So here at For Your Inspiration, you will simply tap on Trending. So these are the sounds which are trending on TikTok. So you can make the video from these sounds as well, like pressing on it. So here is the trending sounds. So you can easily tap on this sound and make your own video to get your TikTok ID growth. So you will get more views as well. So this is the simple process of finding the trending sounds on TikTok. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.